Hi. Hey y'all. Today I wanted to introduce y'all to one of mine and Tommy's dogs. This is Boomer. He's named after the Oklahoma Sooners, where they say Boomer Sooners, I think. I'm not from Oklahoma. But anyway, so his name is Boomer. He's a Yorkie mix. And today, Boomer's going to help me show y'all how we control fleas on him. Now we use something organic. It's Diatomaceous Earth, otherwise known as DE. Huh, Boomer? Say yes. Say yes. Say hi, people. You say hi to the people. So anyway, Diatomaceous Earth is a natural product, otherwise known as silicone dioxide. It comes from the diatoms of some little creature that's in the water in the lakes. Then it dries and it becomes this powder. They crush it and make it into a powder form. And we use it on our pets. I use it in my chicken coop, and I use it on my garden, and I use it in the yard to control ants. So today, Boomer, although he did not volunteer, he is going to be my guinea pig so I can show you how we apply Diatomaceous Earth to him to keep fleas off of him. Now all I do is I take a mason jar, and on top I have what was a Parmesan lid, and it fits a mason jar perfectly, and then I have the DE in here. You want to stand up here, bud? Oh my goodness. Body. Want to turn this way for me? Turn this way. So Boomer doesn't like this. Boomer doesn't like anything. He's kind of a scaredy cat. In fact, we think he's part cat. But all you do is you take and you sprinkle it on him. And then you rub it in. Huh, Boomer? Yeah. Just rub it in. That's all you do. Usually it's good enough to just put it on their back down to their tail. And normally I would do this a day after his bath, but we're doing it today. And then you're going to sit him down and he's going to shake and powder's going to go everywhere. Thank you, Boomer. Thank you for your help, buddy. You want to go back inside where it's air conditioned? Okay. Say bye-bye to the people. Say bye-bye. Another way that we use Diatomaceous Earth in the garden is to put it on ant beds. Now, this little shaker thing is great and all, but I'm just going to take the lid off. I want to get a good coating on the ant bed. All right here. All over it. Anywhere you see ant beds, just apply the DE, and in a day or two you'll see that it has worked to kill a lot of the bed. See the butterfly? Very pretty. Not sure what he's trying to get off that citrus, but he's trying awfully hard. Another way that we use DE is directly on the flower bed. Had I done this earlier in the season, I wouldn't have had some of the problems I've been having. You can put it in with your potted plants, particularly where they keep eating your jalapeno seeds. You can sprinkle it in and around your chicken coop to keep the bugs down. Need to refill my jar, but I'm going to do the whole chicken coop. You can sprinkle it around the outside of your house to control ants, roaches, spiders, etc. I go all the way around the outside of my house, just like this. And you can apply it directly to the leaves of your plants. Now keep in mind that this will harm beneficial insects as well. So might not be something you would want to put where the bees hang out. But there aren't a lot of bees on my okra, so I'm okay with putting it on my okra. And I will put it around the base of my tomatoes and other plants, because the bees aren't usually hanging out by the ground. They're usually hanging up by the flowers. So I'm going to finish treating everything with DE. So those are some of the ways that you can use Diatomaceous Earth in the garden. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.